Hi, I'm Bertie Bird, at least that's my pen name, and I'm looking to help finance my dream of becoming a full-time comic artist. So if you're interested, you can always check out my Instagram. I'm at Bertie Bird Draws. I also have a full-on page that is Dueling Sword Romancer, which is my working title. You can also check out the anthology on my web comics page on tapas.io. Yeah, so come find me, support me on Coffee, and keep up to date with all my comic and my progress in my journey. Support me by following or buy me a coffee. Thank you very much, and see you soon. And let's keep dueling. Thanks.